Because if you had these tranvías, many of you have been to Europe. That's what it is. I just in Geneva 3 weeks ago. That's what it is. But let us put an addition here. Let us, instead of just putting bougainvillea here, taniman natin malunggay, taniman natin kapayas, taniman natin kamuti, kangkong. Kangkong pala yan sa Tagalog, no? Kangkong. Para walang gutom. You know, it pains me to see that 30% of the population of the Philippines live below poverty line, and some people actually die of hunger. When literally you throw a seed away, that seed will grow. But what have we done? We've turned all available spaces into either parking lots or malls like this. Or worse, we paved it with concrete. My friends, shift our thinking. Do we have the law for that? Of course we have the law. I wrote a guideline book, you can download it from the internet. 1,200 pages of all the environmental laws in the Philippines. I spent 20 years doing that. You can download it from the internet for free. Because I believe that knowledge is the only commodity which increases on share. It's called the legal arsenal for the Philippine environment. Of course, may batas yan. Even with all the incentives. But does anyone avail of that? None. Sabi nila si Ramon Magsaysay. What was Ramon Magsaysay famous for? Says, those who are blessed in life must have more in law. Diba? Let's apply that principle to the road. Those who are blessed in wheels must have more in road. Kung ikaw naglalakad, dapat pagbigyan ka ng daanan. I can walk, literally, I can walk from here to Sofitel if there were just a nice spot, tapos may mga kahoy. It's a pleasant walk. That's why idol ko ito, umamin ako kay Bobby Mendoza. And then sabi ko, ginawa ko na ito, dinrawing ko na ito noon. Pinadrawing ko na ito, but unless I really actually do it, wala maniniwala sa akin. So yan, I will show you a little while later what is the solution of flooding. It is not pumping. Yung lugar ko sa Bantayan, declared it a no-car zone, except if you're handicapped. No, you cannot be brought in by a car. Patrolling ako ng ganyan. I do not, PA nga eh. Hindi rin. Hindi lang PA, PE, PCE, parang civil engineer. Because I wanted to do it, gumawa ako ng prototype, kawayan lang muna. But the point is, I can do it. I mean, if an idiot like Tony Oposa, who is a lawyer, who is only a PA, can do it, what more kayo, mga matatalino kayong tao? Pero ginawa ko yan, o, tinan mo, train. Diba? Parang, assume that, and then, kaibigan ko si Ed Hagidorn, sabi ko, Boss Ed, gawa nga tayo ng ganito, prototype, para maniwala ang tao. Gumawa kami, o. Pwede pala. You see that now in Baywalk, Puerto Princesa. Channel bar lang yan, pare, o. This is made of prototype yan. You know how much the whole thing cost? 100 meters. Prototype, ha? Dalawa yung pinal. Yung pinapinal namin si Istorano at saka si Loren Ligarda. Kami pasero. Yan, si Gina Lopez. Dito, asawa dito sa likod. Tapos Robert Briggs, ambassador ng Netherlands dito. The principle works. In other words, you can see it on YouTube, Pinoy Carousel, I think. But the principle, you know, that whole thing cost 80,000 pesos and took us 15 days to fabricate. Prototype, ayan. And what we discovered is because of the rail, one person pedaling can carry as many as 25 to 30 people. Why? Kita mo yung pinakita ko yun sa Santa Mesa? Kaya, what if you do it with wheels, with tapos ginawa pa namin kung meron pa pwedeng kombinasyon. Habang nagpipedal ka, may alternator, it charges a battery or a motor, and then pag tumason, pataas. Lumalabas yung kuwano ko eh. Alam mo, naaabirihan yung carburetor ng aking Tagalog eh. Pataas. Pag pataas, iwan mo. Diba? Di mo lang ang gastos. Diba? You're charging the battery. Is that possible? Yes, of course it is possible. I've done it. We've done it. Now, why am I sharing this with you? Because maybe you are going to be contracted by a subdivision or whatever you'll be contracted by a subdivision, and then you will say, pwede natin gawin yan. Ha? Being done now in, what is that? University of the Philippines. Kalahati ng Rasada, wala nang mobile claim at saka, diba? I will just go straight to where we can work together. I decided, I've been traveling all around the world. I'm a member of the so-called jet lag center. Hindi jet setter, jet lag center. Kaya malaki na yung aking eyebags. But I said I will focus my work on a certain biogeographic region, which is the Visayan Sea. Ito, si Joel Michico dito siya. Kanya-kanya kaming, kumbaga, teritoryo. Pero hindi distrito. It is a geographic region. It is not only a geographic region, it is a biogeographic region. Okay. Meron akong bahay doon sa isla. Itong Bantayan Island. Maliit na isla dyan. May bahay ako doon. And then I decided, instead of just a beach house, I'll use it as a training center for kids. Eventually, the idea evolved and evolved, and then I put up the School of the Seas, Sea and Earth Advocates, to show experientially what sustainable living is all about. It is the only facility probably in the whole country that is totally powered by renewable energy, wind and solar. And instead of using lights so expensive, we use LED lights. Sabi nila, papalitan nila yung CFL, yung fluorescent, papalitan ng CFL. Lumang tuktukin na yan, kung sapatos pantalon pa yan, bell-bottom na yan. You leapfrog the CFL technology, you use LED light-emitting diodes. That's where the future is. It's a little more expensive, but it will last you 10,000 hours. And then, also, in the evening there, we turn off the lights. In evenings were meant to be dark. If evenings were meant to be bright, the sun would be up. I mean, laws of nature yan eh. Di ba, sir? Basta tumango sa akin si Bobby Manyosa, okay yung sinasabi mo. O yung reinforcement bar namin. Tapos yung basura, the rule of thumb, you're all invited, but the rule of thumb is biodegradable waste you can bring in. But non-biodegradable waste you bring in, you bring out, put in your pocket, put in your maleta. Why? Because we're trying to teach you, reduce waste. The first order is not to recycle, it is to reduce. Gigilingin namin, nagpagawa ako sa kaibigan ko ng gilingan, pero hindi makina, di kuryente, di pedal, yan. Tapos, halo namin sa simento. Yung isang bodega na plastic, pag giniling mo yan, 2 sako na yan. Halo mo sa simento. Tapos walang running water. Why? Because running water is wasteful. That's why they have now this yung electronic. Balik sa balon. Yung balon, di ba? Patabay. Bisaya. Igib ka. Bago maligo, akyat ka muna. Lagyan mo muton. Ako nag-invento lahat yan. Sabi asawa ko, si Raulo ko. Tagal ko rin alam yan. Maligo ka yan. The purpose being, pag naligo ka, dahil pinaghirapan mo yan, hindi ka basta buhos ng buhos. Huwag ka maubusan ka doon puro ka sabon. O baba ka, igib ka na naman, isang muli. Pero, talk about recycling water. I mean, these are all native thinking. It goes to a pipe, which is kawayan lang, and then, ang flash na tubig. The liquid waste goes into a natural settling pond and then cleanses. As you may know, the function of water lily is that it cleanses stagnant water. We forget that. And then, walang lining yan, it goes back to the aquifer. So, cycle. Law of nature yan, cycle. Only human beings are stupid enough to make it linear. Tapos, yung waterless urinal, sorry ha, hindi pa naman kayo kumakain. Ang ihiho ng tao, hindi ho napupuno ito. That's probably 200 milliliters. Diba? But we flush it, in conventional toilets, we flush it with 5,000 milliliters of fresh potable water. What do you call that? As if we're running out of style tomorrow. What do you call that? Waste. Not only